To find documentation for Uniswap analytics, start by visiting the official Uniswap website. From there, navigate to the Resources or Developer section where you can find links to various documentation and guides. Uniswap provides an extensive API documentation that includes information on how to access and utilize their analytics data. The Uniswap API documentation covers a wide range of topics including data endpoints, API keys, and usage guidelines. It also provides code examples in different programming languages to help you get started with integrating Uniswap analytics into your application. In addition to the official Uniswap documentation, you can also find helpful resources on the Uniswap GitHub page. The GitHub page contains open source code repositories for Uniswap protocols and tools, including analytics and data visualization projects. You can explore these repositories to learn from example code and implementations. Another valuable resource for Uniswap analytics documentation is the Uniswap Community Forum and Discord channel. These platforms allow you to connect with other developers and users who may have experience working with Uniswap analytics. You can ask questions, share knowledge, and learn from others in the community. For more advanced analytics and data analysis, you can utilize third-party services that provide Uniswap data and analytics tools. These services often provide their own documentation and guides on how to use their platforms and access Uniswap data. When working with Uniswap analytics, it is essential to follow best practices for data handling and security. Make sure to review the terms of service and usage guidelines for any API or data service you use. Additionally, ensure that you are complying with any applicable laws and regulations when collecting and processing data. By following these steps and utilizing the available resources, you can find the documentation you need to work with Uniswap analytics and build powerful data-driven applications. Remember to stay up to date with the latest developments and updates to the Uniswap protocol and analytics tools to ensure you are getting the most out of your analytics efforts.